We are currently doing a motherboard repair on a Asus motherboard. The engineer is focusing on the chip, as you can see on the screen. So basically there is no display on the laptop. This happens, as you can see, the pins underneath that chip, we start having dry joints, and under the chip you could probably have up to about 500 connections. So all these needs to be resoldered, and we use an Asus IR550. So very precision rewelding. Success rate is about 95% without no comebacks. Thank you for watching Beckenham IT.